In this video, we'll show you how to fix the error. The Windows RE image was not found in the recovery folder in Windows. Open the recovery folder in the system drive to confirm the error. Check your Windows edition. For this video, we're using Windows 10 Pro. Next, download the Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. Once downloaded, mount the ISO file on your computer. Inside the Sources folder, locate the file named install.vim. It's the largest file in that folder. Download and install 7-zip. Open the .vim file using 7-zip. You'll see several folders and an XML file. Open the XML file and find the index number of your Windows edition. For example, for Windows 10 Pro, the index number is 6. Navigate to the folder that matches the index number. Inside, go to the recovery folder, where you'll find the WinRE.wim file. Copy the WinRE.wim file to your desktop. Now, move it to the recovery folder in your system drive. Finally, attempt to enable the Windows recovery environment using this command. As you can see, the error is resolved. The second method uses PowerShell, allowing you to extract the WinRE.wim file without third-party software. You still need an ISO file. Mount it on your computer. Hold the Shift key, right-click on the install.vim file, and copy its path. Create a folder where the .vim file will be mounted. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Run this command to mount the WM file to the folder you created. Open the recovery folder in the mounted directory. Copy the WinRE.wim file to the recovery folder in your system drive. Lastly, unmount the folder using this command. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.